Okay. Very good, guys. Good job. Good job.
Definitely a success mission as you can see here that the officers
Sorry?
SRC have been able to find
Happening. Come on,
these rifles that have gone missing from Bogus overseas from the
Salah yang mana? Hei, siapa tu?